How to find coupon codes and promo codes for Coinbase. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily find coupons or promo codes for Coinbase. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get right into it. The very first thing that you have to do is open up your web browser and search for coupon follow and tap on the very first link, that is couponfollow.com. And on the search bar, you are just going to search for Coinbase. So just tap on the search icon and search for Coinbase. Once you do that, tap on enter and you will see the coinbase.com. Now here you will find various coupon codes and different kind of promo codes which will save you different amount of money depending on the code. So here you have to check all of the details to see whether it is valid or not, and then copy the code. You will have to make sure to check the expiry date of the code as well to see if it is valid or not. Now you can tap on redeem at Coinbase and it will open up your Coinbase app if you have it, or you can continue to your web browser. Once you do that, you can search for different other promo codes like this and copy it. You can try to use different promo codes to see which one works, and after that, you should be able to use this on your Coinbase. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.